welcome back to the Simple Dad YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to create your Instagram Playback 2021 if you don't see this option on your feed page. As you've seen on other people's Instagram stories, they're all showing off their 2021 Instagram Playback. Now, you must have seen this Instagram Playback request appear on your Instagram, but since you're busy with something else, you must have closed it by mistake. Now, if you closed it by mistake or you forgot to do it, don't worry. The good news is you can still make it as it's still available till the end of 2021. So let me show you how to get it. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Now tap on search icon at the bottom. Search for my Instagram account, which is KARTIKT2019. This is my Instagram account. Tap on my profile, and if you look in my highlight section, you'll see Playback 2021. Tap on it and check out my Playback 2021. Once Playback 2021 starts, tap on the 2021 logo at the bottom, and you'll see this option to create your Instagram Playback. Follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be able to create it and share it with your followers on your Instagram stories. If you see this message, which I'm seeing right now, then you're not eligible for the Instagram Playback 2021. In order to qualify for 2021 Instagram Playback, you'll need to have at least 3 stories in your archive before 15th November. If you don't have it, then you'll see this message as I'm seeing right now on my test Instagram account. And that is how to create your Instagram Playback 2021 if you don't see this option on your feed page. If this video helped you out, then please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.